The Great Vegetable Contest. In the small town of Greenfield, every summer there was a contest to find the best vegetable. This year, Lily, a young girl with a passion for gardening, decided to enter. She had a small garden in her backyard where she grew tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Her favorite vegetable was the carrot, and she dreamed of growing the biggest one in town. Lily spent weeks taking care of her garden. She watered the plants every morning and made sure they got enough sunlight. She even talked to her carrots, telling them how special they were. As the contest day approached, Lily noticed her carrots growing larger and stronger. She felt excited and nervous at the same time. On the day of the contest, all the townspeople gathered in the park. Farmers displayed their vegetables, and the colors were bright and beautiful. There were big pumpkins, shiny peppers, and of course, Lily's carrots. When it was time for the judges to look at the vegetables, Lily held her breath. Finally, the judges announced the winners, and the prize for the biggest vegetable goes to Lily and her carrots. The crowd cheered, and Lily's heart filled with joy. She had worked hard, and it paid off. From that day on, Lily became known as the Carrot Queen of Greenfield. She learned that with care and love, anything is possible, even growing the best vegetables in town.